Hello everyone, welcome in the job notification YouTube channel. So as you see here, today as a new notification was released from the Amazon India Limited. So in Amazon India there is a three posts are opening. The first post was data associate in India and the location was Chennai. As you see, the job description for this was hiring for data associate in our Chennai team to undertake the listening functions such as transcription, annotation, and dialogue variation. As a data associate, we will be work on speech and data text. We value your high attention to protects. So friends, this was the job description and the roles and responsibilities are work with text, speech and other type of data and attach text to the content at scale. Deliver high quality of labeled data leveraging guidelines to meet specific key performance indicators. Report issues with tools and software to development team when necessary. Maintain strict confidence are followed, all principles are applicable. Comfortable working with speech for various diverse access of English, Hindi and regional languages. And the willingness and flexibility to work in shifts including night shift. So as you see, they offers attractive and complementary salary, opportunity to work in world-class organization, benefits packages also. Basic qualification required for this was high school or equivalent diploma. Work experience for this post was maximum 24 months of experience in any industry, means 2 years industry. Computer skills in MS Office and good typing speed should be required. Preferred qualification was previous experience in a smaller environment, proven record to deliver of performance metrics, excellent communication skill, effective time management, be self time management. Additionally, perks was weekly off rotational 2 consecutive day off. Flexible to work in shifts, relocation bonus is applicable. Documents required for this was the interview you should carry was 10 plus 2 or diploma certificates, last 3 months pay slips, PAN card, passport size photos. So friends, let's go to the another one, that is the for the application, how to apply. So here the link in the description. When you click on that link, you will be redirected to this official Amazon India page. Here you should select the data associate IN Chennai. Source detail here. How do you find it? You should enter by words of mouse or other. You should enter your full name, email ID, mobile number, alternate mobile number, date of birth, and then you can choose the male, female or any others. City in citizenship you should select India correctly. Here for the address you should update the full address, pin code, higher education profile you should select, year of passing, education type, experience details. You should enter your experience detail for the typing as well as in similar job profile was working country, notice period, currently employed, all the details you should enter here. And then add you willing to able to job requirement, you should select yes for the temporary. And then you should enter the PAN card number, Aadhaar card, and then after the last you should attach to your CV or resume and the photograph in JPG format. So friends, after that you should click on that understand all this and then click on the captcha and submit it. After that the HR team of the Amazon India will contact you through your mail ID or mobile number, and after that they will directly schedule your interview to the preferable. So friends, like, share and subscribe our channel for getting more updates, and if you required more help for the interview questions too, you should mention in the description box, we will attach that too. Thank you.